Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Revolut to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds smoothly and securely. Why do this? Well, Binance offers more trading options, and getting your USDT there can open up exciting opportunities. But remember, crypto rules can change, so always double-check with the latest app updates. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Binance. Log into your Revolut app and head to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. Ensure you have enough to cover the transfer plus any fees. Next, open your Binance app or website and navigate to your wallet. Find the USDT section, then copy your Binance deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's for the USDT network, like Tron or ERC20, to avoid any mix-ups. Now, back in Revolut, select USDT from your crypto holdings and choose the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Binance wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check for network fees, they can add up. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code. Enter it to finalize the transfer. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, log back into Binance and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit or contact support. In conclusion, transferring USDT is straightforward, but always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge. See you in the next video.